He had to leave and sacrifice his life for us. Only a chosen one is capable of such sacrifice.
This writing is I'm good. I'm not the sort of person who needs the 100% authentic experience. That's what the time machine is for. I mean, the arcade cabinet poster is pretty. It's something. So The Last Stand 2 is a really solid game. It still is a casual game, but I feel like if they could expand this and add a few more mechanics, I give Union City a rating of a box of liquor-flavored truffles, except the box is empty. There's nothing inside. Somebody opened it, and I can't find this loud gate, I think, Buckingham Fountain, and just the whole downtown area in general looks like a great place to set off fireworks. Hell. Oh, and this is probably the emulator's fault, but if I die, I'm kicked out to the DOS problem. I didn't find the magic, guys. So...
My favorite genre of film is weepy melodramas. But for some reason, the next movie you picked is a horror film.
Yes.
Called Slaughter High.
Final level, the reactor core. This level is savage. For once, your goal is simple. Shoot the core and you blow it up.
The stuff's, if it's a bolt action, you don't have to worry about whether it's got enough power to cycle the action, but it's not going to be accurate. Hang fires suck. This is still
manual recording will now start.
I don't want this to become seen
that's
as
the one you're looking
just
for.
An oversized pistol. But
ammo.
it's a wide gun and it's a very dense gun. These things are heavy, substantially heavier than I think you would expect if you've never actually.
I'd be thinking, isn't this all kind of pointless? If you can run the game, then everything's already there. What's the point in copying 3D
Alright, what are we doing?
Manual recording will now start.
There are multiple reasons. Absolutely nothing causes the hairdresser to fall into the manhole. If you don't do it exactly like this, it won't work.
Clicked on this video to watch because this is honestly just one of the most interesting things we've looked into in quite some time. Starting things off.
Yeah, fuck you too, asshole.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I couldn't do it, guys. America was too big. So we're having the American Independence Day episode instead.
You wouldn't be the first drunkard to travel like this. What's ironic, however, is that
Figure out where you're going.
Manual recording will now start.
Oh, so he wasn't murdered.
Could have gone in that way.
specific research.